In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a trade on eToro. If you already have an open position and want to adjust its settings, this process is straightforward once you know where to look. Editing a trade is commonly done to manage risk more effectively, especially if you want to change your stop loss or take profit levels as the market moves. To begin, log into your eToro account. Once you're signed in, go to your portfolio from the left sidebar. This is where you can view all of your active positions, along with key information about how each trade is currently performing. Inside the portfolio, find the open trade you want to edit and select it, then click on that trade to open its full details. This expanded view gives you a closer look at the position and allows you to make changes where available. At this point, you can update your stop loss and take profit levels if needed. These settings are important because they help automate how your trade is managed. A stop loss is used to limit potential losses, while a take profit can lock in gains once a target price is reached. When adjusting either one, make sure the values you enter align with your trading plan and risk tolerance. Before saving anything, take a moment to review the current trade details carefully. Look over the open price, the current price, the profit or loss, and the total position value. This review helps you confirm that you're editing the correct trade and gives you useful context before making any final changes. Once everything looks right, click Update to save your changes. After that, return to your portfolio and continue monitoring the trade. It's a good habit to check your positions regularly, especially after making adjustments, so you can stay aware of how the market is affecting your setup. If, while reviewing the trade, you decide you no longer want to keep the position open, you can choose to exit instead of editing. To do that, click Close Trade. Just be aware that closing the trade will end the position based on the current market conditions, so make sure that decision matches your overall strategy. And that's how to edit a trade on eToro. Take your time when making changes. Always double-check the details, and make sure each adjustment supports your trading goals. Thanks for watching.